Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your touchscreen. And this just has the factory screen in it, so this would be a different process if you've got something aftermarket installed. But first, obviously, you got to start the vehicle. So you get to your screen here, wait a moment for everything to load. And from your home here, you can go to settings, and obviously your touchscreen's not working, so you're probably going to have to use this to scroll and push enter. And then you'll scroll again, or a touchscreen if it somewhat works, but go to display and push enter. If you click something wrong, you can always go back with this. And then from here, you'll scroll till you get to calibrate touchscreen, enter, and then you follow the prompts. There you go. It's calibrated, so that should be all you have to do. Hopefully your screen's working now. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.